Hello and welcome back to Naturally Miss Chris. Today I'll be showing you guys how to stretch your hair without applying any heat, as well as how to make this tea treatment to help prevent shedding and breakage. I am using decaffeinated green tea with lemon. I am also adding my DIY oil to the mixture. You can go ahead and warm your tea as you normally would, but make sure that it's cool before applying it to your hair. I've been using this treatment for maybe a month or two, and I've noticed that my hair is doing a lot of less shedding than it normally would. Throughout the video, you will see clothes and shoes in the background because my baby decided to do laundry today, and I hadn't noticed until maybe in the middle of the video. If you're struggling with shedding and breakage as bad as I was, I really would recommend you trying this because it helps a lot. I was skeptical at first, but I'm glad that I gave it a chance. I use it once every other week. This will be my last time trying this tea rinse, because my hair isn't shedding as much anymore, and I don't think that I need it, but I do know that it works. So if my hair begins to shed a lot, I will know what to do. I will be using Shea Moisture's 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask. It also has coconut milk. It says that it's for all hair types, and I really love it. It left my hair very soft, smooth, and feeling silky. It has a very thick consistency, and you don't need much. A little goes a long way. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Y'all see, I did not have a lot of shedding at all. Compared to what I would usually have, I would literally be crying. I have used Shea Moisture's Twist Defining Custard once before, and I love it. So I think I'm going to keep that around. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you would know that this is my stuff right here. Right here, I am taking the rubber bands out because I realized that I put them too far apart and my hair would not stretch as much as I wanted it to. Isn't it pretty? Look at the shine. Now is the time to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you right here next week.